Hello dear friends and students. In this video, I am going to discuss Python program to solve system of linear equations. Recall dear friends, we are discussing programs on basic signal processing using Python. And this is the fourth program which we are going to discuss to solve system of linear equations. The prerequisite to understand this video, dear friends, you should have a basics of solving linear equations and you should know basics of Python programming. If you don't have the basics of Python programming, you can watch the videos using the playlist given in I button here. Even the link of this playlist has been given in the description of this video. Outcome of watching this video. Dear friends, by the end of this video, you will be able to write and execute Python program to solve system of linear equations using NumPy library. System of linear equations. Already you know this. Let's discuss little bit about system of linear equations. A system of linear equations is a collection of one or more linear equations involving the same variables. There are different methods to solve these linear equations. Some of these are graphical method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, matrix method and determinants method. If you consider three equations given below, here you can see 4x minus 3y plus z is equal to minus 10, 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0, minus x plus 2y minus 5z is equal to 17. If you solve these three equations using any of these methods, the solution of above equations will be, say x will be 1, y will be 4 and z will be minus 2. How to solve these linear equations using Python? Python NumPy library can be used to solve system of linear equations, and there are two different ways to solve these equations. One is using numpy.linear-algorithm.solve method, and second is using inverse and dot methods of a NumPy package. First we are going to find the inverse of a matrix and later we will multiply that with a and later we will find the dot product of matrices. We will use these two methods to find a solution of a given linear equation. Now dear students, let's start coding. I am going to use Linux, particularly Ubuntu operating system, to execute these programs. This is the Linux terminal. Let me open a new file with the name linear_equations.py, and here, say let me type the program. This is a Python program to solve system of linear equations. Let us consider a simple linear equations with three variables, 4x minus 3y plus z is equal to minus 10, 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0, minus x plus 2y minus 5z is equal to 17. So this is the multi-line comment. We will write the program to solve these linear equations. So first let us import NumPy library. So import NumPy as np and creating. First we are going to solve it using a solve method. For that purpose, let us create a matrix. How we solve is, we are going to create a matrix with a coefficient, one matrix with the coefficient of these equations, linear equations, and another matrix with the result of these linear equations, means the right hand side of these linear equations. First let me create a matrix, creating a matrix A, so I will name it as a matrix A, creating a matrix A, say this is a matrix A from coefficients of linear equations. So here matrix underscore A will be equal to numpy dot array. So now here you can see the first coefficient is 4 comma minus 3 comma 1. So this is the first row, comma second one is you can see 2 comma 1 comma 3. So this is 2 comma 1 comma 3. This is second row, and the third row is minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 5. So this is the third row, minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 5, right? So and we'll create another matrix, creating a matrix, say it is mat underscore b. I name it as a underscore b, using right hand side of linear equations. Now, so here matrix underscore b is equal to np dot array. Now say here this is just a simple matrix with all these elements. So this is minus 10. So I'll take it as a minus 10 comma 0 comma 17. It is just a row matrix. It's just a simple row or column matrix. Now first method is we are implementing it, solving linear equations, using numpy dot linear algorithm dot solve method. Here I'll store a answer in a variable answer1. It is np dot linear algorithm dot solve. To this give a coefficient matrix as first parameter and resultant matrix nothing but a right hand side matrix as a second parameter, and let us print values of variables x, y and z. So here print, so I copy this, solving linear equations using this method. So let me print answer for this. X is equal to, so here it is percent, after dot I want to see only 2 digits, percent of dot to f. The meaning of this is after dot decimal I want to see only 2 digits. It can be written as x is equal to 0.2f, and so new line, y is equal to again percent of 0.2f, new line. So here I don't require comma, and z is equal to percent of dot 2f, and again a new line. So here within this percentage of all the parameters you should write. Say first one is answer 1 of 0. Basically it will going to return a list, and the first element in that list is answer 1 of 0. Second one is answer 2 of 1, and the last one is answer, so this is answer 1 not 2, answer 1 of 1, and this is answer 1 of 2. Alright, now so we'll solve same thing, solving using inverse and dot methods. So here it is simple, answer 2 is equal to np dot linear algorithm dot inverse. Say already we used this method in previous program. First I'll find a inverse of matrix A, which is a coefficient matrix. After finding that matrix, whatever the matrix we obtained, that will be multiplied dot product with matrix underscore B. So very simple. And once again what I do to print, so I'll copy these two statements here and solving linear equations using which methods? First one is inverse and dot methods. So here instead of answer 1 it is 2. Let's see by executing this. So here if I execute this with Python 3 interpreter, there is error. It doesn't require a comma here. Yes, here comma and here comma is not required. You can see, dear students, solving linear equations using solve method. This is using inverse and dot methods. Same answer we obtained. So this is the program that we have written, a very simple program to solve it. So only thing is you need to understand that given a linear equations, you need to make a matrix, two matrices, one matrix with a coefficient matrix and the second one with a resultant matrix. That's nothing but the right hand side of all linear equations. So here 4 minus 3 and 1, you can see 4 minus 3 1, 2 1 3, 2 1 3 and minus 1 2 minus 5, minus 1 2 minus 5, and this matrix is matrix B, minus 10 0 17. Hope this is clear to all of you, dear students.